Okay, guys and girls, I'm sorry, I've hijacked the soundbite here. You're going to see a lot of shit thrown together. As you know, I've been off the air for a little while. I've recorded with a head camera and I recorded with my main camera, and I could have been fancy and edited it all together, but I can't be bothered, so you're just going to have to watch it twice. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, this is not something you can detect, but I can feel the heat from my headlight on my hand. I must admit, I was not expecting that. That would keep me quite warm. Wow. I didn't realise they gave off that much heat. Now, this is 3-ish, maybe 4 feet away, and I can still feel the heat. What I don't like is I'm seeing some smoke down there. Uh-oh. Do I have an issue? Probably do, don't I? You don't normally get smoke. Oh, I hope it's not a wiring issue. Oh, come on. I've had enough of that shit. I'm going to turn the lights off. Oh, for fuck's sake. Really? Firstly, apologies for the background noise. I'm running my Mark II, as I do as often as I can, 2-3 times a week, if not every day. What you're looking at is the next piece of fun. This is the retaining strip on the front windscreen, and I've purchased this tool. What's the number? There you go. 47000. This is to install the seal expansion piece. I don't know what you want to call it. Bead. Let's call it a bead. And this one here, yeah, WD-40. So I'm going to soak everything in WD-40. I'm going to make a fucking mess, and I'm not going to like it. But then, hopefully, with this tool, I can get it in. Yeah. Let's get set up, and as my friend Gary Eats would say, give it a go. Well, I didn't procrastinate for too long. I'm definitely going to leave this bay empty for the time being, whilst I'm finishing off the Mark II. Then we'll make another decision. I've got lots of stuff over there to sell, get rid of. My main toolbox now is free and easy accessible. I've also built myself one other little thing that was bugging me a lot. I've built a charging station. I've still got room for 2 more. I use a lot of cordless tools these days. They are, generally speaking, as good as an air tool. Not always, but mostly. And I try and buy the same make of tool that uses the same battery all the time. So 20-volt batteries. Yeah, I've got a chainsaw that one in the corner uses. It's a huge battery, but that also fits in my lawnmower. Then there's the Milwaukee, that one in the middle there. And I've got a drill, I've got a Dremel. What else have I got? A grinder. I got all sorts. This one here does my weed whacker, my leaf blower, and a hammer drill. And this one just does my grinder. But that's okay. I've got 3 batteries for my grinder. So worthwhile. Tried to make it look relatively neat, but all the cords are different lengths, so it is what it is. Yep. Now, let's get on with the car. Right, here we go. Time to install the locking strip on the window, the windscreen. Now, quite often they say, oh, you start in the middle. Why? It doesn't make any fucking difference. It's not like it's going to leak through, so you know you want the lowest point for the water to run away. It's a load of bollocks. You start wherever the fuck you want. For me, I'm going to start here because it's easy. It's right in front of me. And I've got this super duper tool, which is not easy to use. I've got to tell you. As you know, I have a gallon and a half of WD-40. I'm going to make a mess, and I'm going to install the locking seal, which I've started on here. Hang on, let me grab my other camera just to show you that. So don't go away like you had a choice. Time to insert different camera footage. And there she goes. As you can see, I've just started to insert it here. And I say started because this is a bitch. So I'm now going to soak this all the way along to try and make it half decent. There is no reason that I know that you can't start here. Why the fuck do you need to start in the middle? Right, I'm going to make you a strap on. And we're going to give it a go. Now this tool is a real pain in the ass to use. You've got to get it just at the right angle. And you've got to get it in and then down. Didn't catch it. You see, that's what I mean. It's a beach. It's a little beach. Now, I don't care if I miss a bit. Once you get the angle right, it's okay. I'll show you that in a second. Leave it there. Right, here you can see where I didn't get it all in. I don't normally have that problem. So let me try and get it in using a different tool. Yeah, that's what my wife would like, but ha ha ha, tough shit, bitch. Tell you what, this is fun, guys. Here we go. You just have to keep working at it. There we go. Right. I am not going to bore you with me doing the rest of it, but I've got to tell you, using this tool, which is a good tool. I've got one of those, a good tool, but you really do have to get it at the correct angle, and you need a few gin and tonics and beers, because you're going to fight this all the way around, however many feet that is. I don't know, 6, 6, 7, 7, what are you talking about, prick? 6, 6, 18, 18. Yeah? You get that? Can you do the math? Duh. Oh, pardon me. So, 14, 15 feet of seal. Whew. Oofda. And then, this is the easy bit. Then there's the chrome strip. But prior to that, I will be taking it outside, letting it sit in the sun, making sure the seal is all supple and everything's in place. And then I'm going to put water on. I'm going to put the hose on it. I have not used any sealant. I don't want to. I figure, maybe wrongly, it's a new rubber seal, the bodywork is perfect, so I shouldn't need it, especially as I live in Arizona. However, of course, the car will be washed, so I have to bear that in mind. And with that in mind, I'm going to, as I said, soak it with water. If I see any ingress, ooh, there's a big word, I will get really annoyed at my phone. If I see any ingress, then I will put sealant on it without removing anything, because I know I can squeeze it in around the rubber seal. I hope I don't have to do that, obviously. So, give me a second, a second for you, quite some minutes for me to fight this fucking seal and get it in. I'll be back. And that means you too. No, not the band. Although they are extremely good. Now, as previously mentioned, it had been suggested by someone else to use soapy water, fairy liquid, or washing up liquid. We don't want any fairies. Washing up liquid contains salt. Salt, metal, not good. Don't do it. And then it will crystallize afterwards. I have a spray bottle here full of WD-40. It's good shit. You do what you want to do. This is what I do. Now, this tool is wonderful, but you really have to get it down into the groove and then push. And you have to watch what it's doing. It doesn't always catch the locking bead. And then your stool slips out from behind you and you find yourself fucked. Okay, actually I got lucky. Yeah, I got lucky up to that point. So now I've got to come where you are and drag it towards me. Now I can undo this and pull it, but I think I'm just going to leave the tool as it is and pull it, which you will see, because I'm going to move you. No. Okay. Come on. I'm over. Come back. Oh, yeah. All right, here we go. A little juice there. No. Okay, well, each their own. Not my idea of fun, thank you. suppose she wasn't into that when we were married, but am I surprised? No. Alright, come on, baby. Tell you what, you gotta make sure. Lots of lube. Yeah, it's messy. But at the end of the day, it's worth it. If I can just get my tool. Can I get my tool in there? Not quite right yet. Come on, guys, let's do it. Let's get it in there. Oh, not quite. Still not quite. There's something. I think the bead is twisted. Yeah. Not what I wanted to see. Let me try. Come on, baby. See how this works. Ooh, close. Very close. Oh, come on. Oh, I think I got it. Most of it, not all of it. Come on, get in there. Slip around, baby, slip. Oh. Oh, this is such fun. No, not there. There, where the bead goes. Beady, 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 beady. Oh, just that last little bit there. Oh, fuck me, sideways. I don't know what view you're getting, guys, but it doesn't matter. Mind over matter. I don't mind and you don't matter. Woo! Because I gotta get the seal in, the bead in, the locking strip, the Banana Republic. The fuck did I say that for? Just that last little bit there. Come on, get in. And you too. Covered in WD-40. I'm going to smell wonderful tonight. As Eric Clapton said, you look wonderful tonight. I don't think Eric could ever say that to me. Hopefully. Yeah. That would be weird. this last little bit to sit where it should sit. Oh, you bastard! Oh, come on. You know you want to. Ah, fuck. Fuck-a-doodle-doo. Oh, now you're trying to fight me, aren't you? Yes, I talked to my car. Alright, I'm going to fuck with this for a while. You get the idea of how it all goes. And so I'm going to pump this video out purely because I haven't done one for a while. And I got a ways to go. And I'll tell you what, I don't even know if that seal's going to be long enough. Oh well, never mind. It don't matter to me. Worst case scenario, I'll buy another little piece and insert it. We are pretty good up here. Going around the corner. Just gonna do my thing here. Get it in there and get down. You have to get down low with it to get it in the hole. Look at that. You can see, can you see that? Yeah. Okay. I've still granted. I've still got the corner here that, you know, where I'd stopped. So I'll just poke that in. It'll go. Won't it, Gary?
Yes, Gary, it will, because you commanded it.
Do that edge. Now do this edge. Now, as opposed to your wife's rubber tool, this is where you need a plastic tool to get these things in. Your wife, your girlfriend, hell, your boyfriend, I suppose. Yeah. Right, so I'm almost there. Got the rest of the windscreen to do. I'm going to do that, but first I'm going to edit this video, shove it out to you guys and say, apologies, sorry it's been a while. Next, take it outside and get it wet. Woo! Yeah, stop that money. Yeah. And there she goes. As you can see, I've just started to insert it here. And I say started because this is a bitch. So I'm now going to soak this all the way along to try and make it half decent. There is no reason that I know that you can't start here. Why the fuck do you need to start in the middle? Right. I'm going to make you a strap on. And we're going to give it a go. Now this tool is a real pain in the ass to use. You've got to get it just at the right angle. And you've got to get it in and then down. I didn't catch it. You see, that's what I mean. It's a beach. It's a real illegal beach. Now I don't care if I miss a bit.